Welcome to our advanced tutorial on Claude Fable 5, where we'll be exploring the more complex features of this powerful writing tool. In this section, we'll be covering advanced use cases that will help you take your storytelling to the next level. We'll start by introducing the key concepts of complex conversations, context switching, and multi-turn dialogue, and then dive deeper into how to implement these techniques in your writing. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid understanding of how to use Claude Fable 5 to create engaging and realistic conversations that draw your readers in. When it comes to crafting complex conversations, it's all about using context to inform your dialogue. Claude Fable 5 allows you to create nuanced character interactions by taking into account the conversation history, character traits, and emotional state. Let's take a look at an example of how to craft a complex conversation using Claude Fable 5. We'll start by setting up a scene, defining our characters, and then use the conversation builder to create a nuanced and realistic dialogue. Context switching and multi-turn dialogue are crucial aspects of creating realistic conversations. Claude Fable 5 allows you to manage conversation flow and create dynamic character interactions by using context switching and multi-turn dialogue. Let's take a look at an example of how to use these features to create a more realistic conversation. We'll start by setting up a conversation between two characters, and then use context switching and multi-turn dialogue to create a more nuanced and engaging interaction. Character development and arcs are essential aspects of storytelling, and Claude Fable 5 provides a range of tools to help you create and manage character profiles, as well as track character growth and development. Let's take a look at an example of how to use these tools to create a more nuanced and realistic character. We'll start by creating a character profile, and then use the character development tools to track the character's growth and development throughout the story. When it comes to advanced writing techniques, Claude Fable 5 provides a range of tools to help you create more nuanced and realistic conversations. Let's take a look at an example of how to use subtext and subtlety to create a more engaging and realistic conversation. We'll start by setting up a scene, and then use the conversation builder to create a nuanced and realistic dialogue that incorporates subtext and subtlety. And that's a wrap. In this advanced tutorial, we've covered a range of complex topics, from crafting complex conversations to creating nuanced character interactions. We've also explored how to use context switching and multi-turn dialogue to create more realistic conversations, and how to use character development tools to track character growth and development. If you want to learn more, be sure to check out our other tutorials and resources, and don't forget to practice using Claude Fable 5 to create your own engaging and realistic conversations.